everybody! Today we're making okonomiyaki with Eric the potato, who will help me cook the okonomiyaki later. So this is what you'll need for your okonomiyaki. You'll need flour, eggs, water, cabbage, 2 stalks of green onions, the meat of your choice, okonomiyaki sauce, and mayonnaise later on. So here you'll need to cut the green onion and the cabbage into small pieces. You want to incorporate them in the batter, so you want to make sure everything is finely chopped. Today I'm using shrimp instead of the traditional okonomiyaki, which uses ham or bacon, because I just don't have it today. So today I'll be using shrimp, and I'll be chopping these pieces of shrimp into thirds or fourths later on, so they're smaller and I can spread them on the okonomiyaki. So this is what the cabbage and the green onion should look like after you've finally chopped them. Here I have a bowl of all my different ingredients. So here's the green onions, and that should be enough to kind of spread onto 3 different okonomiyakis. You'll need to prepare your flour and a measuring cup to measure out your 1 cup of flour into your batter. And here's what the mixture will look like after you've put in the cabbage, the flour, and the water. You want to make sure that you incorporate everything and that the flour, you don't see any kind of pieces of dry flour in your batter. And once you've incorporated the cabbage, the flour, and the water, you want to add your 2 large eggs. So here, after I've added them, I'm going to start mixing them together kind of carefully and making sure that everything is incorporated. And the batter will have this very typical kind of sticky consistency. So here I have the batter in a bowl. Everything's mixed and ready to go. So you want a hot pan, and you want to make sure you have enough oil on the pan to make sure that it cooks very evenly. If you don't have enough oil, what happens is parts of it will start cooking too fast and turn black, and it'll just smell like burnt stuff. Okay, and also you want to make sure that when you pour the batter into the pan, that it's in a round circle, kind of like pancake shape. And also you don't want it to be too big, because you want to be able to flip it on the other side once it starts to cook. Okay, and this is what the okonomiyaki should look like once it starts cooking. Here it's pretty like nice, even golden brown on both sides. Definitely not burned, and you can go ahead and flip them. Here, now that the okonomiyaki is all done, you get to do the really fun job of decorating it. So this is where the okonomiyaki sauce and the mayonnaise come in. So what's really cool is you can go ahead and put as much sauce as you want on it, and Eric is helping me put the sauce here, and we like to put it in like a lattice shape. So there you go. That's how you make okonomiyaki at home. Very nice and simple and easy. I hope you try it, and I hope you enjoy.